As a producer and engineer in the trenches, working with artists daily, hands-on, producing, mixing and mastering, I need a solid, stress-free way to send the clients their music. And I thought I had it covered. When I first started out, I was sending WAVs and stems through email. And as you know, sending big files can be a problem. You send the email, it'd be asking for permissions, and yeah, it was just a bit too clunky. So then I dabbled with SendSpace and then eventually landing on WeTransfer. Now, WeTransfer was cool. I liked it. It allowed me to send large files, it was free to use, and it would send me a notification whenever someone downloaded the files. So that was a nice touch. So this morning I was here preparing some ideas for YouTube videos and stumbled on a video that said something about WeTransfer and its new privacy agreement. Privacy agreement. It said something about the new privacy agreement. So I thought, let me just watch this video, see what it's about, because I noticed some changes in WeTransfer. They got some pricing plans, and yeah, it's good because it's a business and they have to make some money. I respect the hustle. But no, the video was talking about the privacy agreement and how things are going to change moving forward. So it turns out WeTransfer is now giving themselves permission to use our content. Now you're giving them perpetual, worldwide, royalty-free, transferable license to your content. And for me, that doesn't sound right. So basically they're saying, yeah, we might use your content to operate the platform, but now we're using your content to train AI, improve tech, and even commercialize it. And I understand, I get it. There's other platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Google do this in some form, in some way, but it doesn't feel right with doing that with our music. Because it's intellectual property. It's more than just data. That's someone's music, that's someone's beat, that's someone's emotion. And the fact that it's transferable to who, for what? Yeah, that just doesn't sit right with me. And how was we supposed to know about this? Like, luckily I seen the video and it's a platform that I use all the time. So if you're someone who uses WeTransfer, how was we gonna get notified? Was it gonna send out an email? Or is it just one of them where you just find out eventually? So this video is not a rant, it's just more making you aware of what's going on. You've got Dropbox, they only use your content to operate the service. No funny business, no selling your data, no using your track to train AI. Google Drive, you keep your ownership, but they do use our content to improve services like searching AI. Not the best, but still better than WeTransfer. Then we've got WeTransfer, who've basically given themselves the right to reproduce, modify, and use your content for anything, from marketing to tech development, including commercial use. What? Like, that doesn't sound right at all. Like, who come up with this idea? Who said, yeah, this is good, let's do this? Like, who signed this off? Do we get a say in this, or does it look like we get a say in it? So, looks like I'm gonna have to step away from WeTransfer and start using Dropbox a bit more, Google Drive, and yeah, I just feel sad about it. If I'm honest, I feel sad about it because, like I said, I've been using Dropbox for years and I just like it. It's just, every artist that I work with sending me files, I always say, yeah, just use WeTransfer because it's just so simple and easy to use. And I just feel like now they've put up a barrier, an obstacle to make it not worth using. It's not worth the hassle. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I might be overreacting. I'm just sharing my thoughts and my opinions on it. And I think it's a good place for us to open up a conversation. If you feel like it's a good move for them, you don't see a problem with it, then yeah, just share your thoughts, because I'd like to know. Like I said, am I overreacting? Is it something that's okay? What do you think? What are you using? Yeah, just let me know your thoughts in the comments and we'll get this conversation going. And yeah, appreciate you for listening. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Appreciate you for watching.